Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel Curlyzhedvlog, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to do this flower coaster crochet. And if you're interested with this kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The material that I use is 4-ply acrylic yarn, 4mm hook, scissors and yarn needle. First step is to make a magic ring. Then chain 2. Inside the magic ring, make 14 double crochet. Go ahead and continue completing 14 double crochet, then I will meet you at the end of the round. Close the magic ring by pulling the yarn ends. Make sure that your magic ring is close and tight. Now cut the yarn and make a slip stitch or an invisible slip stitch. After that, weave in all the excess yarn, then secure by tying it together. Now, we're going to change color. Attach the pink yarn in one of the stitch and then grab the yarn and pull through. Chain 2. This will serve as the first double crochet, and then on the same stitch, make another 1 double crochet. Continue doing 2 double crochet in every stitch, and the total would be 30 double crochet on round 2. So go ahead and continue until you finish the round, and we're going to meet later. Now to close round 2, make a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. To begin with round 3, first make 1/2 double crochet on the next stitch, which is this stitch. So make 1/2 double crochet, and then on the next stitch make 2 double crochet, and then on the next stitch make 2 treble crochet. On the next stitch, make 2 double crochet, and make 1/2 double crochet on the next stitch. Next, make a slip stitch. And this is how we do the petals. Again, to do the petal, make 1/2 double crochet on the next stitch. Then 2 double crochet on the next stitch. Next is 2 treble crochet. And then 2 double crochet on the next stitch. Next, 1/2 double crochet on the next stitch. Then slip stitch on the next stitch. Go ahead and continue repeating the pattern, and then we're going to meet after you finish round 3. Now, I'm about to close round 3. I'm doing the last 1/2 double crochet, and after that, I'm going to do a slip stitch on the next stitch. Now we're going to do round 4. On the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. On the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. Next, make 2 double crochet on the next 4 stitches. On the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. Then 1 single crochet on the next stitch. Then slip stitch on the next stitch. This is how it looks like. So we're going to continue and do the next petal, same pattern. On the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. On the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. Then on the next 4 stitches, make 2 double crochet on each stitch. Then on the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet, then 1 single crochet on the next stitch, then slip stitch on the next stitch. Now follow the patterns to complete the 5 petals, then I will see you back after you finish the round. I'm about to finish round 4 and I'm doing the last single crochet, and before that I'm going to change color, attach the yarn and grab it and make a loop, and now we're ready to do the last round. To do the last round, make 1 single crochet, but you're going to insert the hook on the second round. Next, skip 1 stitch and make 1 single crochet on the next stitch. On the next 8 stitches, place 2 single crochet on each stitch. I place a stitch marker in order for me not to lose my stitch. Then on the next stitch, make 1 single crochet, then skip 1 stitch, and then repeat the first step, which is making 1 single crochet, but you're going to insert the hook on the second round. And then after that, skip 1 stitch, then make 1 single crochet on the next stitch. Then make 2 single crochet on the next 8 stitches. Next, make 1 single crochet, then skip 1, then repeat the first step, which is making 1 single crochet, but you're going to insert the hook on the second round. So repeat this pattern and complete all 5 petals, then I will see you back after you finish the round. Now, I'm about to finish the last round, so I'm doing now the last 1 single crochet, skip 1 stitch, then make a slip stitch on the next stitch. Secure the yarn by making a chain 1, then cut the yarn ends and fasten off all the excess yarn. There you have it, guys. This is the final outcome of our flower coaster crochet. And if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe to help me grow this channel. I hope to see you on my next tutorial, and if you have any suggestion, recommendation, please comment down below. Thank you and see you on my next one. Goodbye.